merciful to us. And only by the blessings and mercies of Rupa Goswami we can know what is Jugal Piriti. Otherwise, in colleges we cannot have these things. In anywhere in world, in no colleges, even a Shraddha, a bit of Shraddha we can have from colleges, those who are Nastic, atheists. But they can learn us. They cannot teach anything. They will teach us tit for tat, Chanakya Niti and all other things. Policies, duplicacy, hypocrisy, all this they will teach us. So, Jah Bhagavat Pada Vaishnava Sthane. You should go to Vaishnava and you should learn what is Bhagavat. Real meaning they will give. Not any university or philosophical colleges, anywhere. Krishna Prem and Krishna Bhakti can be achieved only by the unconditional mercy of unconditional surrender. Without surrender we cannot have a atom of bhakti. Anywhere it is not written that we can go to any in world in any learned person. That is lakhs and lakhs learned persons in India also who knows all Vedas in their books. What?
They quote in memory.
In memory, how? They can utter very good
Tune.
क्या सहस्त्र शीर्षा क्या सहस्त्र शीर्षा
Stotra.
पुरुष सूक्त Sri Sukta and all suktas. We cannot utter. I don't know in what college Haridas Thakur has read. He had been attended in what college? He was the principal perhaps of that college, Namacharya, who has given this title Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself gave. And he cannot write A, B, C, O, A, Ang, Ah. He did not know. How he became? By the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Advaita Acharya. We don't know into what college Srivas Pandit or any has them. Krishna Bhakti cannot be have anywhere in this fair or in world. Jah Bhagavat Pada Vaishnava. So here Narottam Thakur, he was a very learned person in Sanskrit and Bengali, and he was top learned person. But he is telling to Loknath Goswami here that, oh Gurudev, be merciful to me that I should go to Rupa and Sanatan, Rupa and Raghunath. Only by their mercies, if we surrender fully in their lotus feet, then automatically Krishna Premi will come. Saddha, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhav, Prem, Sneh, Man, Pranay, Rag, Anurag, Bhav, Mahabhav. Like a garland, it will come. But going to school, colleges, to professors and principals, anywhere in this world, a little bit of bhakti, even a Shraddha cannot be, we can have. So, you should try to go to Vaishnavas. If they are, even they are in Madhyamadhikar, they can give at least Shraddha, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, at this level they can give, and after we should go to whom? Uttam Adhikari. Then we can recognize, we can realize that who is Vaishnava Madhyam and who is Uttam. Without Uttam Adhikari, Prem cannot be achieved. You should have a very tight understanding. So, don't go to colleges and schools. Any persons who are learned, Anuswar and Visarg, they can do Uthak, Baithak, Dandak. With Anuswar and Visarga, they have no relation with Krishna at all. Try to honor them. If you will have to give honor to that kinds of devotees. Even to Kanishta you should honor. If who are against you, you should give honor to them. So, here, how can we give honor? We can give honor only by the grace of Sri Nityananda Prabhu. If the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu is coming to us, then we can chant Gauranga Bolite Habe Pulaka Sarir. Like this. Oh Gauri Chandra, Sachinandan Gaur Hari. Otherwise we cannot tell. We can make a sound. Gauranga Bolite Habe Pulaka Sarir. But that sound is mundane sound. Mundane sound. Nityananda Prabhu cannot hear this. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will not hear this. Those who have surrendered solely to Nityananda Prabhu, and Nityananda Prabhu accepted them, then this sound will go to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and heart will be melted, and that melting through eyes will come as a tears. Then our life will be successful. These are the process. To have Nityananda Prabhu, Nityananda Prabhu has manifested himself in so many Sadguru, but really they should be Guru. So-called Guru cannot do anything. In this world there are so many so-called Gurus, having the best, but having so much anger, lust, and what? Hypocrisy,
duplicity,
this,
envy,
everything. They are not even a Vaishnava ought to be a Sadguru. So we should try, but our try will not do. We should tell Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu, Prabhu, you will have to manage Sadhu Sangha, Sadguru for me. He will hear certainly if our desire is earnest, and then we can do all these things. Then we can pray to Rup Sanatan, Rupa Raghunatha Pade, Haibe Akuti, Kabe Ame Bujhaba Se Jugal Priti. Rupa Raghunatha Pade, Hai. If you are not going in proper channel, then what will be? Instead of Rup Raghunath, we will go to anyone else, and we will be attached to worldly sense gratifications. We are bound to be like that. So, we should go to Vaishnavas. But it is very hard to have the association of Vaishnavas if we have no past impressions. You cannot have the association of bona fide Vaishnavas. Then what to do? If you are not going in this process, you cannot realize what is Jugal Priti. Even Shraddha you cannot know. What is Jugal Priti? And what is Vrindavan? What is Vrindavan? Those who are living in Vrindavan, they are not Brajvashi actually. Who are Brajvashis? Who are Brajvashi? No desire, worldly desire. They have relation to Krishna with Sakha, Vasalya Bhav and Gopi Bhav, beloved. If anyone has this relation and serving Krishna, actually serving them in three modes, they are Brajvashi. I think those who have taken birth in Vrindavan, like tortoise, like others, like donkeys, they are in Vrindavan. They are not in Vrindavan. Actually, they are not in Vrindavan. Those who have relation with Krishna, what? He is my friend and serving Krishna. Oh, he is my son, serving him like Yashoda and Nanda. And he is my beloved like gopis. Then actually they are Brajavashi. Rup Sanatan was Brajavashi because they were Rup Manjari and Long Manjari, Anang Manjari and all these Manjaris. They are seen in the shape of male, but actually they were not male. They have descended here only to have give mercy to peoples, to make qualified to be in Vrindavan. And you are Brajvashi? No, I am not Brajvashi. Actually I am not. But I have some hope that I will be one day Brajvashi by their mercies. So don't think that all are Brajvashis. Those who are serving in that mood. And those who want this, they are Rupa, Raga Nuga Vaishnava only. They are thinking that when a day will come that by the mercy of Nityanand Prabhu, Baladev Prabhu, I will be Brajavashi and I will serve Brajavashi. We can serve Brajavashi. Don't think and have above that I am Brajavashi in Vrindavan. Only you should pray that I can serve Brajavashi and then any day in any birth I may be Brajavashi. So here in this poem he is saying that Rupa Raghunatha Pade Haibe Akuti Kabe Ami Bujhabe se Jugal Priti is so high, so high. So we should pray, O Rupa Raghunath, have mercy to me. I am not qualified, but yet I want your mercy. If you will not do Kripa, then I may die. So we should pray like this. Sharanga Sharanagati Haibe Jahar Tahar Prarthana Sune Shri Nanda Kumar. Sharanga Sharanagati. You know Sharanga Sharanagati. This is the basis of bhakti, not bhakti. Sharanagati is not bhakti, but it is the basis. It is the door of Shri Bhakti. What is Sharanagati? Anukulasya sankalpa pratikulasya vivarjanam rakshasati titi vishwaso goptitve varanam tatha atma nikshepakarpanno shadvidha Sharanagati. First, what are helpful for bhakti? We can What? Accept. We should not accept anything which are unfavorable. Like one thing, we give a class of Bhagavat and we take so much money, or I will take $10,000, then I will read Bhagavat for 7 days. This is helpful or unhelpful? What is this? Unfavorable. You will do kirtan and take some paisa, some money. We should give up this thing. I will be a brahmachari and worship daily to Thakurji, or I will do kirtan. You should make $25,000 yearly. What is this? Unfavorable. This is offense. If anyone wants to serve Krishna and Gurudev, he will tell Gurudev, oh Gurudev, I will serve you, but you will have to pay $40,000 to me yearly. I will serve you. I will cook you. I will serve you. Even not so much. You said, Gurudev, pay me my clothes, my fooding, lodging, and all the charges. I will serve you. And I will propagate you that you are a Jagat Guru. You should give. I will take a video and preach you. You should pay me $20,000 yearly. I will do freely all these things in the whole world. That you are a very vague Siddha Mahatma and you are Jagat Guru. And if you will not give, then I will do opposite. These are not bhakti. So, you should adopt what are favorable and reject what are. There are so many things like this. Have a very good faith in Krishna that he will support me. He will give everything what we want. Anyone cannot do. I am taking the shelter of Krishna, whether he will save or not save him. It depends on him. And surrender, Atmanivedan. These are 6 Saranagati. First Saranagati should come to Gurudev, and then Gurudev will give it to lotus feet of Radha and Krishna or Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nityananda Prabhu. These are process. So first be sincere devotee. Not wanting anything, anyabhilashita shunyam. If there are so many requirements from Krishna, Gurudev, then he is not a bona fide Shishya and disciple. We should try to follow all these things. Otherwise, Krishna Prem, bhakti will not come. Sadhan bhakti will not come. So, Rupa Raghunatha Pade Hai Beyakuti. Rupa Raghunatha Pade Rahu Moraya Karaye Sada Narotamata Rupa Raghunatha Pade Rahu Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Son of rush in Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama. But we don't know anything. Like a boy was playing with his toys. Toys are like glasses, pieces of glass. Anyone came, a monkey came and took that glittering glass, and he went on the trees, from here trees to that, and he vanished. The father of that son came and began to search. He was not finding where it is. In the meantime, a Jauhari came. Jauhari, you know? Jeweler. Not jeweler, but those who recognize what is jewel or not jewel. Huh? Gemologist. He came and told, "Arey, where is that glittering glass?" Actually, it was not glittering glass. It was Hira, and best kind of Hira. Hira means jewel. Diamond. Best kind of. I saw that boys playing with that, thinking a toy, and also you are thinking. But actually it was very precious diamond. Oh. What is the price? What may be the price? I cannot tell the price. Perhaps whole America should be sold to anyone. The price will not be yet some less. It was so. And it was so qualified that if anything be touched, iron be touched to that, it will be diamond. So from that, lakhs and lakhs diamonds can come, like Kohinoor and more than that. You know Kohinoor? In India it was that at last it came to England. It is in the Queen's. It is like Samantakmani. You know? Then he began to, where to go? So Harinam is more than that. I may tell a story, very good story. There was a Siddha Mahapurush. Siddha Mahapurush, you know, Uttam Bhagavat. He used to live in a village, in a solitary place in Vrindavan, anywhere, near Jamuna, and he used to chant Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, and he used to weep. His hair used to be he has one disciple. He was also surrendered, and he was a good devotee, always serving his Gurudev, always chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. One day, Guru went to another place. He went to Barsana or anywhere else, and he told to his disciple that I am coming after 2 days. So you should look after deities, and I am coming. He went away. when he went away, second day, a villager came weeping and took in his son dead. He was dead. He told that my son is dead now. Where is your Gurudev? My Gurudev has gone another place. You will have to do treatment. Save my child, miss my child. If Gurudev was here, he would have saved it. So, your responsibility to save it. Oh, I cannot do. No, I know that you are in the place of any Siddha Mahapurush, we can do. He began to tell again and again. The disciple thought that I should do anything. My Gurudev used to tell that Krishna name is so powerful like Krishna. Krishna may save this boy, not man, he will save him. So name is equal to him, more powerful. So he wrote down on slate, you know, slate,
black stone,
in India,
chalkboard,
and wrote Krishna or Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama. And he washed that 3 times. Wrote down, washed, wrote down, stopped. 3 times. And he gave to that boy who was dead. And actually, and wonderfully, that boy get up and began to chant Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. All were so happy. Oh, this boy is also Siddha Mahapurush, because his Gurudev is Siddha Mahapurush. They returned. Very, they were happy. When their Gurudev returned, that all the villagers of that village came to Gurudev. Gurudev, your Shishya is indeed a very Siddha Mahapurush. How? My son was dead and he saved that boy. Gurudev called that boy disciple. How you saved? Gurudev, you have told me the glorifications of Harinam, so I wrote down and washed it and gave it to boy. 3 times I gave. Oh, you have given 3 times? Get out from my ashram. At once, I don't want to see your face. Get down, go on, go out. And he gave a slap to his disciple and he did like so and got. He began to weep. All the villagers were so much wondered why he has done so. What fault he has done? They apologized, but no, you will have to go from here. He began to cry and weep. Then he told her, come on, take this stone and go to market and try what is the value of this stone. And he gave a stone. He told that, can you take this and give me, repay this? He saw, he said, yes, I can give. I can give you $100. He told that I don't want to sell it, but I was only thinking and looking that what is the price of this stone. 100. He returned to Gurudev and told that Gurudev, you should order me, I will go and sell this $100 the price. So much. Don't sell it. You should go to Jauhari. Jauhari, you know? You should go to Jauhar. He went. He eagerly told that I want to take it. What is the price of this? I don't know price. You should tell the price. He told that $1 lakh I will give. Then he became so astonished. Oh, this very little stone, but so much price. He went at once to Gurudev. Gurudev, $1 lakh, or $10 lakh, they are telling. You should give it. And very simple stone. No. You should go to king. And there are so many Jauharis there. And show them. He went there and showed it. King told to all the Jauharis, what is the price of this? He told, all the Jauharis told that, oh, it is not a very simple